Now we need zip tie. Oh boy. Whoa, that was easy.
Woo!
It works! Not the perfect way.
Go for it, Butch. Try and screw.
Wow, so satisfying.
Yeah. It works!
I think it worked.
Seriously? Look at this! It works! Whoa! It works! Here is a special place for fuel. Like so. Doesn't work, but it works now! So here we go.
Give it a shot.
Not bad.
Let's put it.
Look at this! It actually works. We need to clean around, but I think we can say officially that it works. Open the plus here. Let's connect them. Here's the plus. So the moment of truth. Here we go. It works.
Almost. There you go, Butch. Oh no, be careful, Butch. Whoa, those actually work.
Metal. Not bad.
Whoa! What's this, Butch? Butch, who put that there? Nice. Actually works, Butch.
Not bad.